Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Renee's Days. I just wanted to share with you what my plans for today are. I am hanging out with my family. We're gonna go to Hodad's for lunch. We are gonna go to the OB, which is Ocean Beach. They call it OB, so the locals call it that, and I'm not a local, but it's kind of fun since I learned that. I can say like the OB and I feel like I'm a local. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna go swim in the waves, which is so fun. I love wave swimming. Oh yeah, and we're gonna go cliff jumping. So exciting. I went cliff jumping last time and I landed wrong and I kind of hurt my hand. I couldn't move it. I was holding it like this and I was like, that's so fun, but I can't swim out of the water because I hurt my hand. But we're gonna go again, and it's actually a 25-foot drop from the cliff that you jump off to into the water. And honestly, every time I jump from the cliff into the water, I get totally freaked out in the middle of it. When I first jump off, I'm like, this is so awesome. And then in the middle of it, I'm like, this is not awesome. I'm afraid. Smack the water and then I get hurt. So this time I'm kind of excited. I'm gonna be filming the whole entire day. So can't wait to share that with you. And yeah. Renee out. Woo! Okay, so we just finished eating at Hodad's and now we are at Sunset Cliffs and we're going to watch some people jump. I'm not gonna jump today. I get people, I'm gonna film everyone jumping, so let's get started. Smells delicious. It is delicious. I had to get coffee because I stayed up way too late. As for my plans today, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I'll figure it out. Maybe get a second or third cup. Talk to you later.
She told me don't worry no more.
Oh, it's a green light! Crawling out of the boat is like, Huh, found my name. Oh my gosh, so much swimming. Finish line! I swallowed my shit. That was so smart. Did you see that? He said, oh, how are you? I jumped. I turned around and then he's like, no. And then he jumped. Oh my god.